Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity or if you want some answers for your circumstances, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So Gemini, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have 5 of stars in reverse, 7 of suns, and the star. So in your circumstances, Gemini, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are making a lot of efforts, trying your best, doing your best. You may see a lot of obstacles in your work, or it may be obstacles in your personal life, but your hard work is definitely bringing a change. Your efforts are going to give you the fruits of success in your career, and it may be changing your situation in this relationship also. So you want a beautiful connection with this person, you want a deep meaningful connection with them, you are working towards that, you are hoping for that, and today you will see that things are falling into place. And maybe the reason your circumstances are going in a the troubles you are seeing today, maybe because you are someone who does not speak your mind. That may be the reason for troubles you are seeing. So you must tell this person what you honestly feel, or what you wish for yourself or wish for both of you in this love. So clear communication is the reason for a lack of clear communication is the reason for troubles in this love. So if you want this relationship to work in a very good way, if you want a good understanding, you must talk to this person, you must tell them what you truly feel and what you are expecting today, and what is your decision for this love. And your situation is changing, Gemini. So whatever troubles you are seeing in this love is going to resolve, you are going to heal. Maybe you would have had some arguments or some stressful circumstance. Maybe this person will come to you to say sorry, reconciliation if you are away from this person. Or if you are together, this relationship is moving towards a deeper connection. The next step, maybe you are feeling more happy, content, that emotional attachment, a greater emotional attachment is there. So some good changes or some good turn of events, positive changes are what I see today. So things are falling into place, things are changing for the better today, Gemini. But you need to talk to this person first. That is going to make this change. So you need to talk to them first. You need a clear communication. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Hanged Man in reverse. So just like I said, whatever confusion or whatever lack of clarity, all that is going to change. So you may feel stuck, you don't know what you need to do. So the answer for everything today is communication, Gemini. So that is the energy here. So let's see what is the card for your career. We have 3 of moons. So in your work circumstances, you may have a lot of opportunities today, opportunities that are going to give you greater success, prosperity and abundance, and you are feeling you will feel so happy for these opportunities coming in your career circumstances, Gemini. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Kyanite. It's a crystal spirit card. So with this card, the energy is that maybe we may feel that we are the ones with the best ideas or best solution in any situation. But this crystal is here to remind us that we need to be a better person today. We need to be really diplomatic. Try to connect with another person in a very mutual way, in a loving way. So there is a reason for you to be with this person right now. So this crystal just asks us to connect with the other person, honor their views and ideas, just like you wish for that person to honor your views and ideas, and learn to be very much diplomatic. So instead of trying to sway this other person's decision with logic, we can try it out with love. Reach out to them with love and try to find harmony in our relationship. And there is a reason you have attracted this person towards you, and maybe if you feel that you are the one doing all the emotional work and this person is not being responsible, this crystal also gives that energy that you can't end that relationship. You can say no. If you feel that you have done so much but still there is no way you can find that balance in this relationship, so it is okay to say no. It is your choice to free yourself from conflict. So this crystal spirit just asks us to be better, to be diplomatic. Try to do your best in any relationship. Try to find that harmony and balance. And meditating with this crystal just clears, detoxes all our chakra points and brings harmony in our situation. And it is a crystal that promotes diplomacy. So, being really friendly and respecting the other person, just like you wish for everyone to respect you. So, we must have that energy today. So, that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So, let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So, with this card for y'all today, maybe we need to let go of all our expectations in our life today, in our relationship. Maybe what is meant to be ours will never be withheld from us. So, miracles are right here and it will show up at the right time. And love, the same way, love will be right on time. So, just like our physical body that has a particular cycle, a particular productive cycle, everything has its season, and love is divine, and at that appropriate timing, everything will unfold as it should. And remember that you always have time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give and receive love. And this clock is eternal, just like the beating of the heart. So, whatever is the most apt relationship, whatever connection is most suitable for you, it will come at that right time, and love is always on time. So, you can just relax, give up your anxiety, and divine appropriate timing is working in your relationship, and you can relax. That is the energy here with this card. So, you may have some worries thinking about this love, why situation is going in a particular way, and what is the reason you are not yet engaged, or you are not stepping up into a committed relationship yet, or you are not finding the person you love. You need to understand that at that divine appropriate timing, everything will fall into place. You can just relax and have that trust in your situation. So, that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.